Hi guys, today we're opening up another Pokemon video. So today I have a Fate Collide pack. There's no more tins. Yeah, I have to leave soon, so I can't open up a tin. So let's get ready. So code card. Free from the back. And Shuckle. Fairy Garden. Fossil Excavation Kit. Wait. Sniffy. Whismore. Mincino. So I have Sniffly Nose. Rylu. Cute. Binnacle. You might have something at the back. Oh, a Glaceon. Where's that? There. A Glaceon EX. Nice. Second bite does 20, 10 more for each damage counter on your opponent's active Pokemon. And Crystal Ray to 70 during your Pokemon's next turn. Grant all damage done to this Pokemon by attacks from Evolution Pokemon. There it is again. Nice. EX, okay. So, since it's an EX, this time I'll try to get you the code code. Here's the code code. Okay, here, let me get you guys closer. The code code. There we go. You see it? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bang. Okay. And yeah, here we go. So yeah, sadly I have to leave now, so that's all for now, guys. So bye. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you and bye.